Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5086672 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you are receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option. Hit pause over here, and once it is paused, click on resume updates, and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click, and then click on restart. Start or restart. Still not working, find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click, and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Once this is done, now you can check. Still not working, you can run these commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now run the last command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once this is done, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, the next step is to run these commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5086672, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command, and check your Windows version. In my case it's version 25H2. Now open Windows settings, go to system, go to about option, and check your system type. So for me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download, and then click on KB5086672, click on it, and then you can run this file. Click on it, install this update manually, restart your computer, and then check. Next step is to close all third-party applications and services. If you have any third-party antivirus running, you can disable your antivirus program till the time you are installing Windows Update. Once you are done installing Windows Update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. If you have any third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit anti-cheat, if you have Riot Vanguard, you can uninstall third-party anti-cheat program and then restart your computer and then check. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Click on it and then click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. let this close automatically. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, restart the computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully in your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.